Now students, before we completed our textbook sums, textual sums, all textual sums we completed. Now we are going to discuss some workbook sums. So similar questions you have to do. So the different sums, so we are going to discuss here. So here subtraction. So this type of questions we did from textbook also. So one more question is there from our workbook. So this is the first question. One more question is there. That question you have to do as your home assignment. So first you check this one. So here some fishes were given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 fishes were there. So total fishes, 7 fishes. In this total 7 fishes, 4 fishes we have to subtract. How many fishes we have to remove? How many fishes we have to eliminate? How many fishes we have to subtract? It means here it is given 4 fishes. Means 4 fishes we have to eliminate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes, so we have to subtract. Then how many fishes left after eliminating these 4 fishes? Means these 4 fishes, after subtracting these 4 fishes from 7 fishes, then how many fishes left here? 1, 2 and 3. How many fishes left? 3 fishes left. That is our answer 3. It means in total 7 fishes, if we subtract 4 fishes from 7 fishes, then 3 fishes were left. 3 fishes were left. One more question is there in the textbook. Here ducks were given. Total 6 ducks were given. From the 6 ducks we have to subtract 3 ducks. Then how many ducks will left? That you have to do as your home assignment. Next, the vertical and horizontal subtraction. We discuss how to do vertical subtraction and how to do horizontal subtraction. So we explained here some questions given in your workbook based on vertical subtraction and based on horizontal subtraction. Then how to do in vertical subtraction and how to do in horizontal subtraction. Here 5 questions were there. These all are, so in first bit only vertical sums, these sums, whatever the sums given, so that is vertically, 4 sums, 5 sums were given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 sums, so we have to solve vertically. Here sign is given, subtraction, minus sign is given, in all minus sign is given. See here how to subtract. Here 9. 9 means we have to make 9 small dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small dots. In this 9 dots, you draw 9 dots vertically. In this 9 dots, 7 dots you have to cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many dots left? 1, 2. The answer is 2. This is your answer. So how many number of dots here given? Total dots. So that many dots we have to, small dots we have to draw. And how many dots we have to eliminate? Here 7 dots we have to eliminate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After eliminating these 7 dots, then how many dots we left? 1, 2. This is our answer. It means if 7 is subtracted from 9, the answer is 2. In the same way, 8. Here total 8 dots we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From 8 dots, 6 dots we have to eliminate. We have to eliminate 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 dots we eliminated 6 dots. Then how many dots left here? 1, 2. 2 dots we have to take like this. In the next question, total 9 dots we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 9 dots, we have to eliminate 5 dots. How many dots we have to eliminate? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots we have to remove. Then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Answer is 4. If it means if 5 subtracted from 9, the result is 4. The result is 4. It means 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, 8. Total how many dots we have today? 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. From these 8 dots, so we have to eliminate 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. If we eliminate 3, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Answer is 5. Then next, 7. Total how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In horizontal, 7 dots. In this 7 dots, we have to eliminate, remove 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3. 3 is answer. It means 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is our vertical method. In vertical we have to take our dots vertically, and how many dots we have to remove, we have to eliminate, we have to subtract. That many dots we have to subtract, and after that how many dots left, that we have to count and we have to write in the answer. This is vertical method. Yes friends, before we discuss horizontal vertical subtraction, so now in the second bit he has given horizontal subtraction. So this also we explained from our textbook. Again in workbook also some sums given. So then how to do horizontal subtraction. Horizontal subtraction. Here first number 7. It means we have to take 7 dots horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From these 7 dots, so we have to subtract 4 dots. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots we have to subtract. Then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. It means if 4 is subtracted from 7, then the answer is 3. In the same way, 6 minus 2 is given. 6 minus 2 means we have to take 6 dots horizontally. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. 6 dots horizontally. Then minus 2. 2 dots, we have to subtract 2 dots. 1, 2. 2 dots we have to subtract. Then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots left. 4 dots left. Here 7 minus 1. 7 means we make 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these 7 dots, 1 we have to subtract. 1 dot we have to subtract. Then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots left. 7 minus 1, the answer is 6. In the same way, 6 dots. Total how many dots we have to take? 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 dots, we have to eliminate, we have to minus, we have to subtract 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. After eliminating, after subtracting 3 dots, then how many left? 1, 2, 3. 3 dots left. The answer is 3. So this is the horizontal method. In the horizontal method, we have to take the dots in horizontal. Then how many dots we have to make? So that by seeing the first number, so we have to take the number of dots, and the second number it shows how many numbers, how many dots, subtract. Then that many dots we have to make cross. Then how many dots left, that we have to keep in our answer. This is the horizontal subtraction. Horizontal subtraction. Next, in the third way, subtracting 0. This we did in our textbook. Again in our workbook, 5 sums were given. So 5 sums were given, 3 sums. So I am going to show you. Remaining 2 sums you have to do by your own. So then, what is the rule in the subtraction when 0 will come? So if 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the same number only. So this we discussed previously. Means 0 is subtracted from 5, the answer is 5 only. If 0 is subtracted from any number, so we get that number only. That means 8. Here 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the same number only, that is 7. So this is over. Next, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Here in the first question, same number minus same number means the number subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. This also we discussed. The number is subtracted from itself means these two are same, then answer is 0. 5 minus 5, 10 minus 10, 100 minus 100, 1000 minus 1000, whatever it is, the answer is 0. The next, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. So there is no 0 and no same number will come. So it means we have to do this minus by using horizontal method or vertical method. Any one method you have to take, you have to choose and do this subtraction. Here 7 means first we take 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertically. So these 7 dots I took vertically and 4. So we have to eliminate 4 dots, means subtract 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is left here? 1, 2, 3. 3 dots left. Means 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Here 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is that number only. That means 7 only. Number minus itself, answer is 0. Here also the same. Number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. These are the subtractions. Now, students, here, listen. Count backward and subtract. This count backward and subtract, this we did from textbook and again workbook. Some questions were given based on this backward subtraction, and total 6 questions were given in workbook. So 3 questions I am going to explain you. So more 3 questions were there. That 3 questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here, count backward and subtract. How to count backward and subtract? Your first question is 15 minus 5. First we have to draw number line. In the number line, at least we have to take till 15. Till 15. If you want to take more than 15, that is your wish, but till 15, say you must take till 15, till 15. 5 you have to 5 steps you have to take backward. 5 steps you have to take 5 to count backward. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Where it stops? At 10. It means 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. It means we have to count 10 steps backward, 10 numbers. 10 numbers we have to count back. Means here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the answer is 10. In the same way, here 20. We start from 20. Here 20 is there. 20. From here to 15 we have to count back. 15 numbers we count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, it means 5. 20 minus 15 is 5. It means we move 15 numbers back. 15 numbers back. Count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, so we count 15 back. Here 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. It means we start from 14. This is 14. So then 5 count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 numbers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 9. Answer is 9. This is our answer. This is count backward and subtract. So whatever the number is given, so in the number first we have to check what is the beginning, what is the starting, what is the first number. So first number is 15. In the number system, in the number line, so we have to take 15 numbers, at least 15 numbers we have to take. If you want to take more than that, that is your wish, but at least 15 that should be there on number line. Take 15 and after that 5. Means 5 we have to count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't count this as 1. Here to here 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way, 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 15 places, 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means 5. 20 minus 15 is 5. In the same way, 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. So in the number line, at least 14 should be there on the number line, and more than, that is your wish. If not, so more than, so that is your wish, but at least 14 should be there on the number line. 14 and minus 5 is there. Minus 5 means 5 numbers we count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the method to count back from the given numbers. These are the given numbers 1, 2, 3. More 3 questions were there in your workbook. That 3 questions you do as your home assignment. Yes, now students, word problem. So here in the workbook, 2 word problems were given. So one word problem I am going to explain you. So remaining one problem is there. That word problem you do as your home assignment. What is the first word problem here? 5 dogs under the tree. So under the tree how many dogs were there? 5 dogs. Then after that 4 dogs were left. 4 dogs went out. Then how many dogs left? How many dogs remaining? He is asking how many dogs remaining. Total how many dogs were there? 5. That total dogs you take here. 5 dogs and minus. How many dogs left? 4 dogs left. 4 dogs left. Now how many dogs left? Then in horizontal method, so do this subtraction in horizontal method. That is your wish. If you want to do in vertical method, that is your wish. If you want to do in horizontal method, that is your wish. Now here I want to do in horizontal method. Total how many dogs were there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 dogs, total 5 dogs under the tree, total 5 dogs were there. 4 dogs left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs left. Then how many dogs left? 1 dog left. So then this is our answer. This is our answer. Total 5 dogs were there under the tree. In these 5 dogs, 4 dogs left. Means 4 dogs they left. So then after that, then how many dogs left under the tree? So then total 5 dogs. So make small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles and 4. So we have to make it cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 dog is left. That is our answer. Remaining 1 question is there. That one problem. Then you do by your own as your home assignment. Yes, now in the workbook it is given, brain booster is given. So what is there? Here in the grades 1 to 15 numbers are given. On the basis of this, some questions were given, some subtractions we have to do. So how to do these subtractions? First question is there, 26 minus 3. 26 minus 3. Where is 26? 26 is here. Here 26. Minus 3 means we have to count back 3 from here. 1 starts from 26. 1, 2, 3. Then after eliminating these 3, then what is the answer? Very next number 23. So that 23 we have to write here. Once listen here. 26. First we have to take 26. Where is 26? Here we have 26. Here we have 26. From 26 we have to take 3 minus. 3 minus means first number, second number, third number. After eliminating these 3 numbers, till 23 it left. So that means 23 is our answer. 23 is our answer. Next, B, 19. Where is 19? 19 is here. 19 minus 2. Minus 2 means this number, this number. So then till 17 it left. Then 17 is our answer. 17 is our answer. Then after that what is there here? 45. Where is 45? Here 45. 45 means 5. 5 numbers including this 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is left here? 40. Then answer is 40. Then 37. Where is 37? Here 37. So minus 3 means including this 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Cancel 3 numbers. Then 34. Till 34. It means your answer is 34. Then 30 minus 2. 30. Where is 30? 30 is here. Minus 2 means 2 numbers. 1, 2. Then 28. 30 minus 2 is 28. So in this way we have to make minus by using this grids 1 to 50 numbers. 1 to 50 numbers. These are brain booster.